What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to install custom themes for Slack. For this example, I'll be using the popular Dracula theme, but I like quite a bit. I'll head across to draculatheme.com, link in the description down below, and I'll simply search for Slack. Upon doing so, open up Slack and we'll see instructions here. Scrolling down, we find the codes over here, as well as some installation instructions that we'll be running through in this video. So first of all, copy the values below. We can click the copy button on the right hand side here, or you can manually select it and copy it yourself. I'll use the button. Now, all we need to do is open up Slack and paste the values in any channel or conversation, such as Slackbot. So inside of Slack, I'll head across to direct messages, open up my chat with Slackbot, and inside of here, I'll simply paste it and hit enter. Upon doing so, you should see switch sidebar theme. And this is currently my sidebar theme, so I'm not able to click it. But if you were to click it, you may be asked to confirm it, and once you do so, your sidebar theme will change. It's that simple. On top of that, it should also change the colors of the chat, etc, etc. But anyways, it's nice and simple. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!